Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get admission in India's number one veterinary university, which is Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, which is also known as TANVAS. So this video is for both Tamil Nadu students and other state students who are willing to join this university in order to get admission in one of the college to do BVSC and H course. That is Bachelor in Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry course in order to become a veterinary doctor. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So starting with Tamil Nadu students, so if you belong to Tamil Nadu and you want to get admission in one of the college of Tanvas, then how can you get admission in those college? So let's see one by one. Now for Tamil Nadu students, there are two ways. First is 12th cutoff and second is NEET exam. So first of all, if you have not given NEET exam, but you want to get admission in one of the college of Tanvas, then you have one option. That is, you can give your 12th standard exam, and after giving the exam you have to apply for Tanvas counseling, and the official website is this, which is on your screen. I have also mentioned the link in the description. Now this Tanvas counseling is only for Tamil Nadu students, and for kind information, the counseling registration has already started for this year. So in case you want to get admission this year, then you have to, and if you belong to Tamil Nadu, then you have to apply for this counseling, which is Tanvas counseling, and the official website is on your screen. Now in order to apply for Tanvas counseling, they have mentioned some eligibility criteria which you should follow in order to take admission. So the very first thing is you should be native of Tamil Nadu. So this is the criteria for Tanvas counseling. So you should be native of Tamil Nadu state. You should pass in the senior higher secondary course, that is 12th CBS or any other examination recognized as equivalent thereto, and fulfilling the following requirements are mandatory. And that means you should pass your 12th standard. Okay, and in addition, they have also mentioned that for those candidates who have appeared for HSC examination of Tamil Nadu State Board from March 2019 are passed in 11th standard. Examination is mandatory. Okay, now another thing they have mentioned is only academic qualification examination marks will be considered. No grace marks will be considered. So they clearly mentioned these eligibility criteria. Now after Tanvas registration, based on your 12th marks or merit, you will be selected. And in case you are selected, then you have to download the admission letter and you have to report at the college within the time limit along with your important documents and certificates. So I hope this is clear for Tamil Nadu students. Talking about the age limit, so the candidate should be at least 17 years of age, and the maximum age, now this is the minimum age, okay, 17 years, and the maximum age depends on your caste. So if you are from SC, SCA or ST, then you have no age limit. If you are from other category, then you have maximum age limit is 21. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now for example, you have given NEET exam also and you've applied for Tanvas counseling. Now in case you didn't got any college in Tanvas counseling, your state counseling, then you have an option to go for VCI counseling, which is based on your NEET marks. Okay, so many people ask me that can I get Tanvas and if I belong to Tamil Nadu through VCI counseling. So definitely yes, you can get your own state college through VCI counseling, but only if you do choice filling correctly, you make sure your marks are good, your rank is good. Along with that, you should fill the college correctly. So in case your rank is good, your marks is good in NEET exam, and you apply for VCI counseling and you choose your own state college in the preference list, like preference wise you choose your college, your own state college first, and your marks are good, your rank is good, and definitely you have chances of getting college of your own state, that is Tamil Nadu. I hope this is clear. Now talking about other state students. So what are the ways they can get into this college? The only way is the NEET exam. You have to give NEET exam in order to get admission in one of the college of Tanvas in case you belong to other state apart from Tamil Nadu. So what you need to do is after giving your NEET exam, you have to apply for VCI counseling, and the official website is on your screen. I've also mentioned the official website of VCI in the description box. You can check. Okay, so based on your marks, rank, and again you have to do the choice filling correctly in order to get any. If you, in case you want to get admission only in Tanvas, And if you're from other state, then you should do choice filling correctly. You make sure that during choice filling, you give preference to Tanvas colleges first in the list. If you want to know more about VCI counseling, then I have already made a lot of videos and I've made a separate playlist on the channel regarding VCI counseling. There I have mentioned admission process, criteria, eligibility criteria, and cutoff of previous year. Everything I've mentioned, you can check on the channel. Now, there is one more way for both Tamil Nadu students and other state students through which they can get admission in one of the college of Tanvas, and that is through NRI quota. Now, on the official website of Tanvas, they mentioned that total 9 seats are there for doing BBC and AH course under NRI quota. So, along with that, they also mentioned some of the criteria which you should follow if you want to join the college through NRI quota. So, they are saying that you should have certain documents. As you can see on the screen, you can read the documents which they have mentioned. They said that the candidate which is applying for NRI quota under NRI quota should have the recent NRI status certificate of the candidate, parents or sponsor, or issued by the Indian Embassy of the country, and OCI card holder or person of Indian origin has been granted parity with the NRI. So there are many things I mentioned. So you just go through these things, and I hope it will be helpful. And as you can see on the screen, for BBSc and AH course, this is the eligibility criteria. Coming to age criteria, so the minimum age should be 17 years and maximum age should be 20 years, and the candidate should not be 21 years of age while applying for the counseling under NRI quota. Now, coming to the fee structure for NRI quota students. Now, as you can see on the screen, the total fees for doing BBSc and AH course under NRI quota is around 18,000 US dollar. That will be approximately 14 lakh, or you can say 15 lakh for the complete course. So this is the fee structure for the student applying under NRI quota. And the selection under NRI quota is based on the marks which you get in the entrance examination, which will be conducted by the university, and you should score minimum 50% in that exam. If you want to know more about this NRI quota and admission process, you can go to the official website of Tanvas, which I have mentioned in the description box, and all the related information you will get there. And these are the colleges which comes under Tanvas for doing BBSc and AH course. So the first one is Madras Veterinary College, that is MVC Chennai. Second is Veterinary College and Research Institute Namakkal. Third is Veterinary College and Research Institute Tirunelveli. Fourth is Veterinary College and Research Institute Orthanadu. Fifth is Veterinary College and Research Institute Salem. Sixth is Veterinary College and Research Institute Theni, and seventh is Veterinary College and Research Institute Umlapet. Now, if you're from Tamil Nadu, then you can apply for all these colleges in the counseling. Coming to other state students, so you can apply for 4 colleges during VCI counseling, which are MVC Chennai, VCRI Namakkal, VCRI Tirunelveli, VCRI Orthanadu, because these 4 colleges are aggregated with VCI. I hope it's clear, because only 4 colleges will be available for you during VCI counseling to choose during choice filling. So if you are from Tamil Nadu or other state and you apply for VCI counseling, then you can get only one of the college out of these 4, which is MVC Chennai, Namakkal, Tirunelveli and Orthanadu. Only 4 colleges will be there for VCI counseling. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you want to know more about me, then you can follow me on Instagram as well. A link I've mentioned in the description, and on Telegram also. All the links I've mentioned in the description box, you can check. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.